Greetings and welcome. I'm in Koyasan today, in Japan. This is the most sacred place I've ever been. Koyasan's very special. If you get a chance, I suggest visiting. Okay, so sorry about the background noise. We'll do the best we can. Now, when you're vital breathing, I've already covered the theory that your concentration, your will, gets fused into the breath, and the breath gets fused into the stretch. So these qualities come together and they form the foundation of cultivating life force, cultivating energy. Once we've got these qualities there, we want to build this magnetic fluid in the vital energy and move it into the astral, convert Jin into Qi. Now, to move Jin into Qi, we want to slow the energy down. We want to release time. So while you're developing Jin, you're inside of time and space. When you're developing Qi, you're releasing time but still maintaining space. So how do we release time? We want to enter into a state of timelessness. Now, to do this, we tune the feeling of vital energy. So you've learnt that through building the ball and through other vital breathing methods. And once you've established that base feeling, we have what we call the 4-cycle breath. You breathe the feeling of life force in. At the end of the breath, you stop. You pause the breath. And you just enter stillness. And inside that stillness, there's a feeling of timelessness. And you pay attention to that feeling of timelessness. Then as you breathe out with the feeling of life force, you integrate that feeling of timelessness and just slow everything down. And then move to the end of the out-breath. Get to the end of the out-breath, pause, enter into the stillness. Your mind stop, feeling stop, energy stop, everything stops. And then from that stillness, go into the feeling of timelessness and then breathe that timelessness in. Now, as you're breathing timelessness in and timelessness out, the life force energy gets really thick, really dense, really heavy, and really slow. It's like a thick fluid. And this is the effect of releasing time. So when Chen Manqing said swimming in air to describe the form, that's astral, that's the Qi. So this is the first transformation of Jin to Qi. We take the feeling of magnetic fluid, we slow it down, we release time. So the slowness of the mind, slowness of the feeling, slowness of your relationship with time, super important for this phase of training. As soon as you've got into this thick, heavy, fluidic feeling, you can stand up, do your Tai Chi form, do your moving Qigong exercises, and move that thick fluid through your body. You'll find that by training this on a daily basis, within a few weeks your Tai Chi form will be transformed, your Qigong sets will be transformed, and you'll be cultivating what they call Qi. From cultivating that feeling of Qi, then we go on to sinking the Qi, rising the Qi, expanding the Qi, and contracting the Qi. So we have up and down, in and out, and the various effects it has on your body, the various effects it has on your relationship to gravity, and exploring the various effects it has on other people as well. So start off with this very simple exercise. Focus the will on the breath, breath on the stretch, develop the magnetic feeling. From the magnetic feeling, slow it down with a 4-cycle breath. Breathe in, pause, enter the stillness, release time. Breathe out, pause, enter the stillness, release time, until the energy becomes thick and fluidic, and then breathe that thick fluidic quality throughout the whole body, and move that thick fluid to move your body in the form. And this is how the mind moves the Qi, and the Qi moves the body. Okay, thank you for your time.